Hello there, my name is Kelly. I mainly do travel, lifestyle and Disney vlogs, but today I'm doing a room tour of a cabin on the P&O Arvia cruise ship. So this is a room tour of cabin 15712 on the P&O Arvia. I'm just going to take you through what we have to offer. I have been in this cabin now for a couple of days, so the room tour obviously is going to show all my things in it as well, but this is just for your benefit. So as you come in from the main door, you have 4 hooks on the side here to put your clothes on, or you can put your room keys on. You have the other side of the door, you have a Gone Exploring and a Taking It Easy magnet. So you pop this on when you're out and about or when you're back in the cabin. I've also put our cruise cards on these magnetic hooks here. So I've hung these up near the door. We did actually go out without them this morning, so we had to run back up to the room to get them. So just so that we don't do that again, we've put them on a lanyard, we've put them near the door. And also you need to put a card into the slot to make the lights go on. I've just got my old Chessington bedroom room key, so just make sure that you do that. And then coming through, I'll show you the bathroom in a moment. So as you're coming through, you have the bathroom just here. I'll show you that in a moment. And then I'm coming through here, I've put some more cruise hooks. It's a really good handy tip. I've put some on the ceiling. These are stronger ones so that I can hang up our bags. Then to your right, you have this beautiful sofa area. And again, this is another tip of mine. I've actually put our shoes in a shoe rack bag, which I've hung from one of the wardrobe doors. But just to show you inside the wardrobes, you actually have a safe. You have room for short clothing such as tops and t-shirts and things. Then you have shelves. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shelves in there, and also a hairdryer. You do have laundry facility bags as well. This is me, hello. Nice full length mirror. And then you have your life jackets and plenty of space for long hanging dresses or suits. Another quick tip as well, we did actually have to ask for more hangers, so we've got these wire hangers that they gave us. So on the left as you come in, you've got the desk. As you can see here, the flowers are not always included. I did actually buy the Bon Voyage packet for my mum, which I will show you in a moment. But you've got room above the mirror and the vanity to put other bits and bobs on. So all the way along, we've got bits and bobs in there. We've made full use of all the shelving and space, but we've got 2 shelves here as well. You do have British output here. This is a French plug, but this one is actually for the kettle, the P&O kettle, which I'll show you in a moment. You've got your light sockets here. Then I've actually bought the water package. I got 6 cans of water, which you can actually reseal these cans for £9.95, I think it was. Bit expensive, but worth it. Water is free on the ship as well, but we needed some yesterday because I had quite a lot of nausea. We've got tea and coffee making facilities, and in this little thing here we've got some biscuits, we've got coffee, tea, sugar, milk, full fat and semi-skimmed there. Then underneath you have 2 cupboards. You've got one with your fridge, so oh, my apple's fallen out. Green apples, really good if you get seasick. Then I've put my own milk in here because I am lactose intolerant. Mum also got a box of chocolates with her gift and a bottle of champagne, as you can see in there, so we've put those in the fridge. I'll just put my apple back in there. We bought our own Coke, so that's that. In this one, we've used this as our tea and coffee, biscuits and snack cupboard. Then moving on, you've got the TV, lovely big TV here, and it's Super HD one, I think, I'm not quite sure, but you've got the telephone just here that you can call for room service, our teddies. Then in this cupboard we've got some crisps of our own, and then we have room for other bits and bobs just in here. These are very shallow cupboards, so don't be thinking these are very wide, they're not. Then again on the wall I've hung up our hats. Another hot tip is I have some trips booked as well, so I've actually put the trip information on here just so I've got it in one place, and Mum also got a photograph, so we have a voucher for that. My headband, my big bag is hanging from the ceiling. Again, these hooks are brilliant. This bag is very, very heavy still, so hanging from the ceiling, it's doing a brilliant job. You do get a Daily Horizon magazine, which I will show you again in a moment. So I've put all the old ones in here just so that we've got copies of them. I'll show you the balcony in a moment, but this is the bed. Lovely, lovely bed. Now I'm here with my mum, so we are sharing the bed just so that it saves space if one of us wanted the sofa to sit on. But this is a view of it from the back corner. So this is our lovely cabin. We do have bedside tables either side, and above the bed you've got a night light and a reading light, and then underneath you've actually got a USB port. I don't know if I can show you, I'm trying. Yeah, just under there is a USB port, so it's hidden away, but you can use that one as well. Then we're going to come outside. There's Mum. We're coming outside onto our balcony. Now we have a very big balcony. I did specifically choose this room for the balcony, but yeah, we're actually docked in La Coruña at the moment, so this is the view that we have. This is along the ship, and there we go. So it's a massive, massive balcony. As you can see, I'm right at the very edge of the balcony now, but that is a lot of room there for us, so it's really, really lovely. Now you do get the chairs on the balcony. These do go back as well. I'm going to try and show you. Yeah, these do go back as well, so if you wanted to sort of laze on the balcony, it's very nice. I will say, if you're not a fan of not having any sun, then this is not for you. We like it because we do have the overhang, so the overhang is right the way along, so it protects us from the sun when it's really, really hot, and if it's raining, it also protects us from the rain. It's due to rain in La Spezia when we're there, so hopefully we won't get too wet, because we still can use this, but also it's quite a sheltered balcony, which we have found. So yeah, that's the balcony area. So then on the wall you've got the mirrors. Mum's just making a drink and you've got some lovely wall art there as well. But yeah, just a few tips for you. As I say, the shoe packet thing there, that is one of ours, and also the cruise hooks, they're another fantastic tip. I'm going to show you the bathroom next. So here you've got your air conditioning unit, which we like, quite cool. And then this is the bathroom. So the bathroom is one of the biggest ones I've seen so far on a cruise ship, and I've done 2 cruises other than this one. So this is the mirror. This is where we've stored all our bits and bobs, but lots of storage space there for you. Nice single sink. We've also purchased a couple of these for the room and also for the bathroom, just to keep it smelling fresh. And then we have the shower just here, and again with all our bits and bobs in. It's a very high shower as well, so it's a nice good size. This is the floor of the shower, so you can see it's quite a good size, and it does empty out really quickly as well, which is nice. And the other thing, it comes with all the towels and everything. We did have to ask for face flannels, which I know some people don't like doing, but we actually like a face flannel, so that's what we have. And it also comes with the White Company flowers scent, which is jasmine, rose and neroli. So you've got the hand wash here. Then in the shower you actually have the bath and shower gel and a shampoo. So, and I will say it is gorgeous. We might actually buy some later. And then with my mum's gift package, we actually got these robes as well, and they say P&O Cruises on them, and we can take those home with us. And we got slippers as well. So yeah, with mum's gift package we actually have Champagne, so we had a whole bottle of champagne, the chocolates, the flowers, the 2 robes and 2 lots of slippers, like spa slippers if you like. And we also have a breakfast in bed with a half bottle of champagne. We've booked that for tomorrow, and she also receives a free photo which we're probably going to get done on celebration night, which is tomorrow. So yeah, really good package. It was £155. I booked that just after Mother's Day this year, and as I say, fantastic. The robes are really good quality as well, so I'd highly recommend that package. But that is our room tour of room number 15712.